3:45 p.m. It's time for the educational tour. Yeah.
Smash through the blocks that bar your way. No time for fear, just let it all fall away. Nobody believes in me and you, just look at the way they stare. So what if we live in a walled garden? As long as I've got you, then I don't care.
Just me? Or did they crucify Yoshi? Yoshi, bro. Anyways, I'm just done eating. See that? Sheesh. I have still to finish that. I already ingested too much liquid from this thing. There's more. Pretty cool. Gonna have to drink some more brown liquid. Here we go. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Oh my god! It's me, the man behind the slaughter. Nagpagupit ako ng nung Tuesday.
Ay, yun pala yun. Ako sumama na yun ako.
Nagpagupit lang ako, lakas ng wrist ko.
Yes. Hey, brother Rizler. Are you Harry Potter, bro? Kasi you're a wizard.
Yo!
You're so skinny. So, paano?
Bro! Hakang ano ulam mo?
Yes, what's your ulam, bro? Yes, what's your ulam, bro?
Macdo chicken.
Hey, let's go. Let's go, Macdo.
Yo!
Lagay mo na lang to.
Put this. This is good. Of the Haidan blood, I lies, bring alive.
Yay!
Put that on your vlog, bro.
Undo mo sa akin.
Okay.
Hey!
There you go.
Bro's got that giat!
Ano pa rin sa mga boss?
Cut ko kasi.
Puntado ka.
Okay, so alam na po natin, ang pinaka-importante natin reminders ha, know your bus number.
Malilate na ata yung nandyan na.
Feel ko late to. Laging late sa atin to.
The usual.
The usual. Ganun pala. Oh, gang. Jam, gang.
Add friend mo ako.
Ang laki sa storage.
10 gigabytes lang yung ganyan ko.
Yung alin?
Head size.
Of you, bro. Imagine may klase. We are paid to win.
Ito po ay enjoyment ng mga bata. Ano po?
Yes.
Hindi po
Yes.
Educational.
It's just the enjoyment.
Yes.
Hashtag Omniverse, bagsak pa rin sa science.
Hashtag JM not in the prayer because he's unholy.
Meanwhile, on the other side of the school,
Ghost hunting tayo.
Whoa.
May ghost, magre-rape. Rapist na ghost pala. Dito daw kasi na-rape siya eh. Talagang ito pinuntahan natin ah. Wala kaya talaga.
Re-rapin kita. Re-rapin kita. Tag. Ito na
Ako yung ako plus go.
Sorry.
Ang ta-target eh.
Bro, sorry. Bro, BB, ang tagal mo umihin. Mga bata eh.
No. They're going shopping. They're going shopping, bro.
I never knew they were...
Glorieta Mall.
Yes, exactly, but...
Sana may maymay.
Sa Stratos,
Obvi, dala ko pa yung ano, nag-gloves ko.
Mendes
Yo,
ka.
you may never know, baka may makita tayong wild mic kung nagmumay-may.
Bro.
Pwede ba yan na late?
To the moon. Ay, wala.
Doon tayo sa likod, tayong lima.
Yes, that's our plan.
Yes, guys. Magkano ang dala niyo?
1K. Magkano dala mo? 10 million.
Bro, manlilibre. Ha,
Palibre may-may.
Palibre may tokens lang. 300.
Damit, pants. Uniqlo lahat. Eh. Ano kakainin natin? Dinner?
Ano no? Samgyup siya.
Wala, ubus ang oras natin sa Sangview.
Ayoko. Shakey's tayo. Shakey's tayo, libre mo.
KFC or black.
Lang chicken.
Bro. Spicy.
It's so hot.
I'm hotter.
Dami parbitora kayo.
Crash mo na naman mga
Bro, stop.
Hot si bro.
The flavors are melting in my tongue. What the hell, man? Every second pass by, it's getting weirder.
Every second passing by, it's getting hotter. Age gap pala problema.
What the fuck, bro? What did you just say?
Traumatized.
I am legit traumatized today. Or are you? What the fuck?
You haven't seen enough.
Gaslighting at its finest. I see JM as a furry. Puta na ho.
Furry. Bro.
Bro, what's the
Would you like to see my collection of 3 images of furry Miku?
No, thank you. Good thing I have a mask.
That's what the point of the mask is.
Yes. To hide the ugliness.
So you can see I'm trying.
Yes.
You won't see me crying.
Oh, I'm seeing you crying right now. Why are you crying?
Huh?
Why are you crying right
Hindi
now?
mo yung kita, I have glasses.
Oh, it is special effects, bro.
Special effects, bro.
You can see it already now, bro. Miss Bien, bro.
No, he sucks.
What about Michael?
No. He sucks.
Sucks what?
He sucks. Everything.
What the heck?
I'm too short for this.
Someday you'll be tall.
I don't know, my height fluctuates every day.
Is it?
Sometimes it's 12 inches, sometimes it's 10.
Why do I feel like I know what they're talking about, bro? Are you gay? No, he is. But this is about like inches. Oh god. Bro, that wrist! That wrist!
Alam mo kung sino malakas ang wrist? Si Sir Orion. Soldier, bro. The hair, bro.
That hair.
Hey! Woohoo!
Let's go!
I do not trust my bag. Mukhang mahuhulog na yung aqua flask ko.
Bro, your aqua flask is gonna fall.
I do not trust my left hand.
Bro, I always say that about my left hand.
Nagamit mo lang yun sa mouse eh.
Oh. Okay.
Gamit ito, right hand sa mouse eh.
Bro, you weak.
Gamit right hand sa mouse.
Bro, we're not there yet. You gonna leave me?
Bro, dapat kayo ni Glance. Glance, doon ka kay EJ, iwanan mo si Enver.
Bro, I'm out. I hate you guys.
Hate you too. Hate you too. Leaving now. Bye Philippines, hello Manila. Guys, pahiram ng power banks nyo. Ako cameraman nyo, bro.
Ano na power bank?
No, kay...
Meron akong dalawang power bank.
Yo,
Ayan. Yun.
I'm gonna drain his banks.
Shut up, bro.
You're watching. Hindi kita sa camera.
Attack on Titan.
We're watching the
Season, this is part 2, finale
part 2
na yan.
season 4. Okay.
Finale na yan.
Yeah, part of finale.
Ay, ito yung 1 episode na, na.
I want to see everybody die.
Hello.
I'm gonna pass this phone to someone that is gay. You.
Hiroshima.
That's the same ball of fire na kala ni Enver mamamatay na siya.
Sabi ni JM, it's a carousel, bro. It's a Ferris wheel.
It's a carousel.
Ang bagay yung araw. So ano ba ang mga bus regulation po natin ngayon?
Hashtag good morning, Lance. Hashtag good morning. Ako na po mag-CR. CR vlog. CR vlog.
Bro, what are we gonna do in the CR?
Nasaan po yung CR? CR vlog po ako. Nyo ako.
Tara, CR vlog. Hey, CR vlog. Let's go, boys!
Nyo naman. Gusto ko niya mo. Bagal nyo.
Oh, wala kang pariya?
1K ang dala ko po.
Putang ina, 1K po.
You go vlog.
Ibigyan ka ng barya. Libre mo ako.
Magkano
Tangina mo.
Oh, easy ka na.
Yo, dapat. Mamaya, bukas. Bukas gago.
Mamaya, libre mo ako ah.
Ang ano mo, wala nga akong pariya. Paano kita lilibre? Simbahon, musta ka?
Ay, hello.
Basta. Ihi din ako, pero nainom ako ng Coke. Mawak.
Ay.
Wait lang, I will put out.
What did you say? You're gonna fart?
Hey, I'm Pornhub.
Oh, Pornhub. Well, how is you the problem, Pornhub? You is the gay. Yeah,
I don't know about that, man. I think you're gay, bro.
you.
But it's the truth, though. So, rate that Coca-Cola.
Hawakan mo muna.
So, hello guys. So, dito tayo sa vlog ko. Maninawa akong cellphone at Coca-Cola. Uuwi na tayo, guys. Buti na, swerte ko nakakakuha ko ng guys, ng phone and a Coca-Cola. Parang, alam ko naman bakasyon ko to, pero hindi mo masama magnakaw. Ay, nasa church pala ako. Hindi pala ako pwede mag... Yo, how's the review?
It was 10 pesos.
It was 9 out of 11.
Let's go, guys.
Ito talaga si JM, he likes to finger A minor.
Yep, that is true. I have seen him do it. Wala na naiwan doon? Wala na naiwan doon. Mga babae pa sir.
Babae talaga.
Babagal.
Ang babagal.
Skill issue.
Yung mga babae, babagal. Sa harapan tayo.
So, okay, bro. Your Arkin is taller now than JM and Holy shit, bro.
Shish, nandun sila.
Sheesh.
Mga late.
Sorry na po siya.
Mga late. Mga late.
Push lang, nasan pa?
Nandun pa, nahuli na siya.
Concerned ako sa president natin, pero mas concerned ako sa secretary natin. Hey!
Presidente mo.
Eh, presidente mo. Mga late. Mga late. Mga
Sabi
late.
sila. Puta ka lang waki yan.
Let's go! Kaya.
Waki, bro.
Nag-i-up sila, what losers!
L.
Nagsiseat work si ma'am. Alright.
But yung
Nagagalit si ma'am kasi 7 lang nag-surrender. Mag-haircut ka, lalakas wrist mo.
Who needs Reese when I already raised her up?
Kailangan mo pa ng wrist. You know, multitasking?
Bakit? I know you wanna do it, but not in public, bro.
Nah bro, bakit?
Oh my God, masasagasahan tayo ng grab food.
Hey, let's go.
Remember ko talaga yung nangyari kay Enver. Are we just here to take pictures?
Yes, this is the boringest vacation I've ever had.
It's not a vacation.
It's a tour guide
It's an
vacation.
educational tour.
How is this educational? When I'm doing Hitler stuff.
History.
That is. Ba't tayo nag-jacket? Because we're hot.
Sweaty man is rich.
Now strip. Big. What? Why? Pakina mo. Likes big black. Yeah. Big black man. Big black sweaty.
Big black
ass
sweaty.
man. Two black men kissing. Let's walk.
Yung teacher na malakas yung Riz.
Oh my god.
Malakas kasi haircut.
Hindi, malakas sa ano.
When malakas yung haircut, malakas yung Riz.
Pupo na tayo guys. Find the seat.
Tulog na po
Find the
tayo.
seat. Dali, sit. I'm on this seat. No, he found a fucking bed.
Hey, let's
Bed.
go.
Oh,
Nasaan na yung linya?
ano gano'n sa linya?
So not straight.
Yes, like JM. Baka po tayo.
Smells like JM.
Yes, sweaty.
Ito na ulit.
Iya, that was the time pinali si JM.
Bro, you is.
Kapatid ni JM.
SpongeBob.
Oh my god, SpongeBob.
SpongeBob.
That is the most important shit ever, man.
Linya na kayo. Ayos na kayo sa linya. Doon na kayo sa tulog.
Kamusta ang vlog? Kaya sabi ko, kamusta ang vlog, di kamustahin ako.
Prado mo gabi, me.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Edit mo, idol.
But just take it. Yes.
Ano po yung mga lalaki?
Sarap ka, Jem. Jem, sarap ka, Jem.
Yan, mungka, harap. Pakita natin to. Picture.
No. We're gonna spread that.
Yeah.
Yeah. You always be
Yo. Ate mo dyan, baka masunog.
Jem, bakit ka hindi na hindi ka nasusunog? Bakit hindi ka nasusunog, JM?
Donation.
Hindi ka siya. Yo. Hindi ka siya, bro. Yo.
The thinker.
Yes, I am the thinker. I am thinking.
Kunyari banal.
Yo. We're gonna wait here until masunog ka, bro.
Grabe, hindi nasunog si JM. Bro. Hindi masama si JM, what the heck?
What's wrong with the zipper, bro?
Kung nga rin sure, nangyari. Bro.
Bag raid.
Now, there we go.
I'm better than JM, bro.
Okay, so this is the Coke.
Uy, tapo mo na yan. Tanga na, may basura pa. May basura eh, hindi mo tinapon.
Bro, we know your shit, but don't think...
It was always supposed to, ano.
No.
Oh wait, no.
This place is boring, walang namamatay.
Yeah, bro, JM didn't die.
Wala pa akong picture. Shit. Mamaya na. Mamaya, magkakaroon ka sa akin. Ah, tangin ang picture yan. pati ano eh. Pati salamin natanggal.
Friendly fire.
Friendly fire.
Sticking at the gear. Tayo. Sa kay Kulot China.
I will build a great wall. I already built a great wall of cactus, ano,
Ah, yes.
sa server. It's one layer of cactus, but it fends off people so well.
Like fucking grudge.
Say hi. Video this. Magja-jump na ako. It's a bird. Yo, kunin mo yan. No. Athletic ka. I cannot. Bro, Germany should be taking note of this. Build a great wall.
Exactly.
That's what I did in the desert and it keeps everyone away.
Wow. Nag-ano.
Tara, Fortnite.
Bro.
Fortnite, bro.
Or it's just this. Oh, thank God. Oh, why? Why are you taking a video? Hey! Profile pic yan pa oh. Dali, ganun ka na.
Doon, tanggalin ko lang si Hiroshima. Bro, I'm sweating at places where a man shouldn't be sweating. Yo, moss! Gusto ko yung kainan yung moss.
Don't do it, bro. Sir, pagod pa kami.
Hindi kayo nag-iikot pa kayo.
Sir, ang init, sir.
Init po.
Sir, puro lakad.
Haba pa tayong 20 minutes.
Sir, TikTok, JM. Wala,
TikTok ka, JM.
Kanina pa ako nakagawa ng kompan. Sa'yo ko orange justice.
Enrique Joaquin.
Shit!
May-
Shit your katana.
Multi-purpose yan. If you don't want to kill your opponent, just use that. If you want to kill the opponent, use that. If you want an umbrella, use that.
If you want to intimidate someone, isaksak sa puwet.
Ang init bro, pahawak ka. Picturean mo rin si JM.
Oh God! That's terrifying.
Yo, my ID. You know what rhymes with golf? Adolf.
Ano yan, narinig ko.
Family guy ka ba? Dahil nakuha mo palagi attention ko.
Hindi, family gay yan.
Subway serve.
Subway Surfers, Family Guy, whatever. Lahat na nang nandun sa baba. You know what rhymes with macaroni? It's fuck!
So, ang next round, sinalaro po natin is skill natin. Kasi naman po nakakapunta ron.
So guys, papunta na kaming Tales of Illumina. Ikaw na lang dito. Nakapunta ka na ba doon, JM? No. Tulog lahat, bro. Indeed. Sweet nila, bro. You want to see my images? Yes. Roy Miko. Tom's World. Tom's World. May kaya sila.
Let's go, boys. Go, bros.
Let's go.
Bro, what
Hoy,
the hell?
nag-cut line cutter bro si bro.
Get out of here, bro. Get out of here.
No, you're too fat. You. Ang laki ng Tom's World.
Wow, ano tong Chuck E. Cheese.
Kung bata lang to lahat, walang may.
Freddy Fazbear.
Pizza Planet from Toy Story.
Security breach.
O, dapat picture daw lahat ng boys in Gen Z. Then girls sa likod. JM, girls na.
Girls.
Ay, hindi. Doon ka sa gitna. Hindi ka pa, unknown ka pa. Luhod
Queer.
ka.
Queer.
Next up, the Seven Dragons.
Tales of Illumina!
Yan boys. Upo na lang kahit saan.
Kayo na kumupo.
Good morning! Kita-kita lahat ng mga tao eh pag nag-video.
Kitang-kita yung ulo, bro.
Good pay or damage any of our these days, where you will pay a minimum of 5,000 pesos. No sitting on the rocks, no pulling off strings, and bawal sumandal sa mga statues.
5K.
So, kaya ba kayo pumasok sa mundo ng Tales of Illumina?
Yo, bro. Yo, bro. Sheesh upward, bro. Ooh.
Ayun pala si JM na sa likod. Ginagawa mo dyan. Okay yan.
Ay, nabali. 5,000 na yan. Finally, we're moving. Wow.
Mamaya nakikita niyo si JM nakalahod. Si Tarso nga boy.
Ganito. Gusto ko natin. No. What do you want, bro?
Among Us.
Among Us.
Hindi makita yung
Mukha mo.
Baa? Baa? Baawa ah.
Yo, your face is black.
We're all black.
Niglans.
Alright, that's going to the vlog.
Ay, ito pala yung ano, yung
Huwag nga daw hawakan eh.
Hindi nakikinig eh.
Yo, 5,000 bro.
Let's go.
5,000. Yun na sa left. It's a monkey.
Okay. Monk. Yo, this is my life now.
Jade cutting.
Jade cutting.
Jade cutting.
Bro.
Which one here is jade and which one is not?
Jade cutting.
Jade cutting. Nah.
I'm not interested. This rock is not real.
Yes, look at it. It's plastic.
Just like
Yo,
JM.
look at that. Yeah, JM is very plastic.
Wala ko sa JM eh.
Yo, putang ina! Tangin na si Joey Boy oh! Si Tal! Pantsless.
Wasteless.
Bro's wasteless.
Heaven. That's heaven though.
Death.
Did you know this is a booger?
Whose nose?
JM.
JM. Tapon mo to correctly.
He just, oh my god.
Bro, booger ni JM.
Just throwing it everywhere.
Bro.
God.
Oh my god, exit finally.
Exit. Doors. Doors.
We're at door number 3 now.
Yo, what is this?
Door 40s.
Sino dyan may ano, pepper spray?
I have it.
Sino dyan may pepper spray?
Alcohol. Alcohol.
Tama na ila.
You guys videoing eyes.
I see you.
I see.
Door 41. Yo, shrooms!
Hey, shrooms.
Shrooms. Let's get tall.
Let's get
Mario. Booger ni JM nag-glowing na.
Pipitsy, poppitsy, it sounds like JM, bro.
Bro, JM.
Babity boo, you are now an ugly boo.
That's so interesting.
Touch it, bro. Touch it. I dare you to touch it. Very
No, I'm
interesting.
too short.
The three musketeers. What the fuck, bro?
Wow, powers mo yan.
Yes, I'm turning it to
Yo,
gold.
yellow.
Now I'm turning it
Green.
to green.
I want to raise
Blue. Rainbow na yan.
Naaawa ko sa classmate natin na mag-report.
si Albert sa science. Sige na.
Nakakaawa naman.
Ako naman si Albert.
Purple. Oh.
See?
See this?
Ano yan? Parviflora color.
White.
White. Just like
Tapos
JM1.
bukas pala tayo pinag-report na.
Pina-report online.
Report.
This is giving me LSD.
LSD, bro. This is getting me high as well. Bro, I ate a mushroom and the trees are changing colors.
Nag-turn ako yung ano glass.
Oh, yo! Wala! Oh my god, it's JM! That's a creature! Holy shit!
JM! Ang laki ng booger.
I want JM!
Fuck you.
So ito yung humor nyo kanina pa nung nawala ako.
Hey, yo!
Yo!
Ano yun?
Yo!
Angin na yun.
Banyo!
Iwan gusto nyo eh.
Finally, after 5 years. Ayan ang miso. The label. Nagulit ako.
It's very deep.
What if mas mataas yun? 1,000 pa yung ano sa'yo wallet? I wish to die. Tulog talaga sila ng piso.
Yay. Wait. I'm making a mish. I wish.
A mish.
Shut up, bro.
He's making a mish.
I wish na walang pasok every week.
Basically, Monday wala nang pasok.
Yes. See, it worked.
May drugs po kayo dyan?
What the heck, madam?
Tara, patubot.
Tara, photo booth.
Tara, patubot.
Yo, magpo-photo booth.
Ready? 3, 2, and 1.
Wow. Come on.
Oh, hell no. You're gonna buy
Strawberry.
How much is this? If it's expensive, okay. If it's not expensive, okay.
100. Yaku.
It's worth it.
That's like more expensive than me.
Yes.
Masarap.
Worth it.
It's strawberry.
Sarap ito first time.
Hey, nangiba na ng phone. Uubusin ko tong battery mo. No.
It's my katana.
I'm never going there anymore.
What the hell? Sakit na mata. Bye. Ito yung pangalan yan. Hindi na ako malungkot.
Bored na ako dito. It's white. I want darkness. Nawawala sa cellphone ko. Naalala ko tuloy. Nasa iyo. That is my phone.
Photographies, Kendrick.
Upo ka dyan. Ayoko nga. Boring mo naman.
Sige mo nag-action sila ng Tom's World card.
Yo, tara Tom's World.
Tom's World. Bilhin mo kami yung soft drinks.
Now I'm thinking of this room bago pa mag-run ng mga stickers.
It's gonna be very, very sad pag walang stickers.
I'm having a delusion right now. The walls change colors. It's crazy out there.
Sa fridge day. Okay, ngayon ko lang nakita refrigerator.
Refrigerator tayo. Nasa refrigerator tayo. Ikaw naman mag-vlog.
Ang ina nag-gameplay ka. Care din.
Vlogger ka na pala ha?
Vloggerist na ngayon.
Ako talaga yung vlogger dito.
CRK pala.
Dito lang tayo.
Dami ko.
Gusto ko nang mamatay.
Same. If you live, I'll kill you. Suicide reason. Look at the picture. Join us. What? Oh yes. Contemplating life. I'm enjoying my life.
Is it just me or is the air conditioner sus?
Probably.
And then wait, one big eye and then a mouth.
It's automatic.
It's got that one orange teeth.
Oh yes.
Contemplating life choices in front of a refrigerator.
I'm contemplating.
Air conditioner.
Yes. Why is it so cold? Let's contemplate life, bro.
13, baba na lang.
Yo, it's starting. Congrats, kapatid mo. Ayun.
Holy! Go take a picture of his ass. Take a picture of his ass.
The human form of the air conditioner kanina.
Yo, look at its ass. Oh, ito pala yung light. Alright, goods now.
Alright.
Arkin, you think si Tarzan nakipagkantutan sa gorilla? Ha? You think si Tarzan nakipagkantutan sa gorillas?
Nah, the gorillas dominated him.
It's a good go, bro. Burn the juice!
Yo!
Yes!
Aesthetic lights.
Yung mas na ano ka ng aesthetic lights kaysa sa mga portrait.
Yo, my portrait's pala dito. Yo, there's fire. It's fire.
Oh shit, it's fire.
Binabantayan mo talaga phone mo, ha?
Bro, legit ang tagal niyo magpili.
Siya yung matagal.
Matagal.
Ang tagal mo!
I will pick the orange.
Yo, here's the phone.
Okay, there's more.
Can we just go, please? Review. How's the ice cream?
Cookies and cream better.
I agree.
Not ice cream, this is sorbet. I can already tell na sorbet ito.
Review on this ice cream. I would rather bite it than lick it.
You wanna buy a wig?
May ba dyang venti wig?
Maybe. Our time is legit 1 hour and 30 minutes.
May pang second station.
Yes. Yo. Let's go. Yo, ang lamig!
My apologies. It's the cold.
Yo, bench! I can sit! There we go. We can sit now. Nice. Yeah, I'm up. We're up, bro. Oh my gosh. This looks amazing. No, move aside, bro. Move aside. No, that's amazing. Sheesh. Make a wish. I wish na walang pasok every day.
I wish to die.
What about your girlfriend, bro?
Oh yeah. You wanna see a magic trick?
Yes. Show me a magic trick. Amazing.
Tanda mo kung ano pa.
Tas. Bro, ba't ako naging cameraman? Yo, live. Yo, it's an author. What an amazing. Yo, ang lamig. Bro, it's another dead end. It is another dead end. Look at it. I can see myself. Can you finish and vlog? I don't want to vlog anymore, bro. There we go.
Gago, ka. Masarap laway mo eh. Pakyo. Saan na tayo? Sa heater naman, pagkatapos ng rep.
Pangin yan. Kala ko sabi mo, 10 daddy. 10 daddy? Tangina mo. Tara, prepato ka ng bola. Okay, Oh, tuloy mo. Hindi. Bidyan kita. Hindi. Putang ina. Pang X video talaga ang acting. Solid oh. Lakas kere. Bidyan mo yan. Bobo. Ang bomb. Lipad. Oh. Superman talaga, Superman. Oh, bobo. Ang bobo ng Superman niya, oh, bobo. Superman. Paano? Oh. Superman, oh. Uy. Puta. Ay, bobo. Huwag mong putayin, Ker.
Jem, look, it's your nightmare.
Fuck. Sorry, no. Sige.
Yo, Orchid.
Ang buraot ni Peralta.
I'm gonna have another delusion.
They're having another delusion.
There's 4 orchids.
8.
It's 3 actually.
Wow.
Right. I am done. Isaac at vlogging daw, bro. Skill issue.
Huwag ka maging addict.
Jay, alam mo may pumunta dyan na labas.
Ha?
Alam mo may lalabas dyan ba?
Sino? Wow. Wait. Kala ko talaga may step.
Wrong way po tayo.
Ay, wrong way. Wrong way.
Palaro.
Illumina, it was okay. Ano rating mo?
It wasn't worth it.
Flying people with great bombs,
No, I give that a 6 out of 10.
7 out of 11.
But, okay, nag-gets ko yung 7-11. Okay.
It's Yosemite. Yosemite is right over there. A wild Marie is in the premises.
Yeah. So good.
How was the Tales of Illumina show thing?
Yeah.
The flying men got the gya.
Bro, for real. For, estigis.
Stafu. Crap stains ni JM. Oh JM, buy ka 5,000.
Okay, 5,000.
Bowling ball.
Bog, may zipon.
Bagal niyo bro.
Ito kasi, ang bagal kung saan napunta.
Mas maliit pa nga sa amin eh. Ikaw pinakuli sa amin.
The power of friendship.
5 Nights at Freddy's, the power of friendship.
No.
With the power of friendship, we can achieve anything.
Let's bring this trap. Boxy, you go left. Bonnie, you go right.
And me and Freddy will go to the middle.
Chica, you be Chica.
License plate. Okay.
Hindi na ko pag-gamit eh.
Okay.
Ano, kamusta na napagalit ng kawali ni Sir?
Ano kasi hinanap ko kayo? Ay, hinanap namin kayo.
Wow.
Nag-Tom's World na lang eh.
Nag-Tom's World na lang.
Pugo.
Let's go Nintendo switching.
Yo, what's up guys?
Okay.
Magla-lunch na kami. So here's mine. It's infested with toyo. But that's fine.
Pantay pa.
That was a very good idea.
Jollibee yung iyo sa akin, Max. Puro tayong manok.
Vlog.
Akin tosino.
Anong baon mo, pare?
Ham. Katas toyo.
Aham.
Tas toyo na may siomay.
Ano to?
Oo, toyo. Toyo siya. Dito sa
Ayan.
Ito ay chicken fillet with rice and gravy.
Yan lang.
Sa'yo, ikaw naman.
Ikaw,
Tosino.
tosino lang.
Yes.
Toyo with the slice.
Teka lang, yung akin nasa loob pa. Vlog tayo. Ha? Kumaano?
Doon sa may bintana.
Oh, dyan. Lagay mo dyan.
Nalaglag na nga to eh.
No. Why is it flashing?
Doon sa may baba.
Okay na dyan.
Pag nahulog to ha.
Pag nahulog,
Oo, nasa turn.
5,000.
Nasa turn.
5,000 kapag nahulog.
no. Tunay na lang.
Minimum of 5,000 lang, di ba?
Exactly. Where you still have either 5,000.
5,000.
5,000 na lang lang.
Hey yo, hell no.
5 pesos na lang. Ito ulam ni JM, Chicken Joy. Ito ulam ko. Bago yung kay Enver naman, McDo chicken, bago lang ganisa. Alright, it's 1 p.m.
Kala ko 2 tayo, aray.
Yun na.
Ang ganda naman tulog ko eh.
Yo guys, it's me Arken bringing my Aqua Plus again. Last time I brought this by hand nawala. So that's good. Ang ganda ng laro natin ng Mario Kart and then interrupted by baba na po kayo.
Baba na po kayo. Tara, smash.
Napansin nyo nga eh.
Not in the bus. Visual room. ABR. So, governors, you know what? I'm gonna read this.
Yo, let me try.
Yo, Braille.
I don't know how to read Braille. So sabi ito, karken. Hindi ako alam na agad yung...
We know damn well you can't read that.
I know. Yo, look at this.
Coins.
Yo, look at this.
Yo, look at this.
Yo, look at that.
Museo ng Katipunan. Yo.
We're in a museum.
Manila.
Water, the history of water sa atin. You could play My in here, imagine. Pwede ka download Astro DX.
Uy, ginagawa niyo.
Bruh. Huh?
Bro, I'm actually interested in very informal. Interested talaga ako sa history ng water ng Maynila.
Bullets.
From what war?
All of them.
Sino unang bulalo?
PepsiCo!
Pati kasi naunang critics ba yun?
Marbles.
Research yung picture ng marbles.
Nasaan yung mga ano?
Instagram.
Lon. Papanoorin natin yan. Nasaan si Glance at nasaan yung Aqua Plus ko? I love this history.
Ano ginagawa?
Ansay, ginging.
Geng.
Iwan na kita ng ginging.
Nasaan si Glance at nasaan yung aking Aqua Plus?
Hinahanap ko yung gago.
Takbo tayo.
That dude. Make Germany great
Akin na yan.
Make Deutschland great again.
Deutschland.
Kabila.
So you're telling me horizontal.
Okay. I will ask you questions. Ano tawag sa tagakuha ng tubig dati nung wala pang water reservoir? This is interesting. Ito yung actual na yung ginawa nilang dam. Well, it's not a dam. Pero ito ginawa nilang
Nag-ano talaga ng information kaso pagdating sa exam bagsak.
yes. Used to be the route where they got they got the water from Ilog Pasig. Doon this is like yung reservoir kung saan sila nakuha ng tubig.
Bro, this is the perfect place to hide an evil air. Ah! Oh my god. May ilaw. May ilaw. Give us a sign. Oh, cockroach. Cockroach.
Yo, it's a cockroach. It's a story about yung sinaunang tao, how they got water. They got it from Ilog Pasig. But then some fucking piece sabi from Ilog Pasig to the Manila area or yung fucking spring.
I don't care about the history. I care about cockroach.
Bruh.
Woo! Yeah, baby. It's been raining in Manila. Hindi ka ba nilalamig? Miss ka na si Secretary.
Tama ka na, Haka.
Nigeria.
Tapon kita dan sa kalsada eh.
Hey!
Abandoned chairs, I wanna go sleep.
Too bad.
Ganyan to, you have to do a lot of editing and graphic.
What?
You have to do a lot of editing. You have to do a lot of editing.
Yo. I'm not reading that.
Oh my god, the invisible sword. A masterpiece. A masterpiece.
Bro.
Masterpiece. Look at this masterpiece right here. Like, you cannot see the sword.
Pila na daw!
Oh, parang hindi grade 11.
Uy.
Yo!
Screw the text.
In Tondo, Manila.
You know what I care about? What the hell? Dog.
It's a dog. What the...
Yo, fat! I feel them right now. Gusto ko nang humiga. Yo! Death. Yo. Alright, magbabasa tayo ng post-it notes. This place is so solid. Babalik at babalik kami dito.
Wala, pero hindi ko mapapunan ng pagmamahal ko sa
Tara, let's buy gun.
Why buy a gun when you can use your father's gun?
We have different types of black. White, black, brown,
Yellow.
Gusto ko na matulog sa bus ulit.
Yun yung moment.
Bro!
Hindi pa nila pinutol yun.
Eh, kaysa binutol yung puno, ay tinanggal lang yung kalahati ng puno.
Hashtag save the trees.
You know, CJM uneducated.
It's literally dying na yan.
Miss ko na siya.
Oh my god. Don't put that on my face. Mate, don't put that on me. Yo, Jose Mari. Jose Mari.
Balls. Anong gusto nyo? Magkano yung...
Gusto ko siya.
Ako siya dito. Sandwich, cup, big or cup or cone? Cup.
Actually, sandwich na nga lang din.
Magkano yung ganyan, kuya?
Kailan yung sandwich ko ya?
Ang kulit naman ito, sisik mo rana ito.
Jam, deliver mo ako. Deliver kita.
Ganun pala
It's called liability.
Huwag mong hilahin.
Hindi pa babayarin.
Deliver mo.
Gusto ko mag-ice cream kaso
Malignat
inuwa
na.
pa ako. Shit. I'm risking it.
Ano?
Now.
I wanna risk it, but
O, diba?
the problem is I want to get well, so I could see her again in the
Bitch, what the fuck? Nahimik ka na lang.
I'm just doing my priority.
Grades.
My grades.
Grades, baba ng grades mo.
Kaya ka nagsisikap na eh.
Baba ng pre ka.
9/66. Sinisip mo nga ako.
Bale, 50 pa
Ako nga, sisipin din ako.
Order ka.
Ha?
Order ka.
How much money did you waste today?
20 pa po.
Oh my god. 270?
Yeah.
Lagi mo tinatanggal yan eh.
Oh! So guys, hey guys, nandito na kami sa Glorieta Mall. Yo, 2 hours early, bro.
Hindi ko alam kung saan ko nailagay yung mask kong black. Papagalitan ako ni mama. Marami yung mask mo. Hindi ko alam pa. Hindi pa yan.
Kanino pa namin nakita.
Ayun ka lang napansin.
It's time to Gloriet. Yay.
High quality fiber.
Yo. Alright, plano na natin kung saan tayo kakain.
Oy,
It's a Moss Burger. This is very Japanese.
Moss
Gourmet
Burger.
burger.
That is
Moss
Tayo
Burger.
mamaya. Burger. Ay, may neko chan ko.
So, time to mall. It's mall-in time.
Small in time. Saan ba tayo mag-meet sa first floor?
Zing.
Zing. Okay, sa Zing.
1 hour and 10 minutes early, bro. We're here 1 hour early and sarap kumain dito.
Downtown.
Sarap kumain dito.
Kumain dito. Bago wala na 1K mo. A restroom sign.
So where is it?
Ang daming Parviflora, oh.
Hold mo nga to.
So there's 600 Parvifloras.
There's 600 Parviflora.
Ah, yes.
Yo, shisha board. Shisha board. Sarap tumalon. Hashtag child.
F of that.
Oh.
21, 22, 23.
Please activate Windows. Please activate Windows.
So it seems like we are now ready to start our orientation for this afternoon. But then let me say this, students. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Oh, it seems like we don't have the energy again. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. We are not allowed to touch anything inside the museum except for our interactive activity. Are we clear? Okay, on top of that, any damages that will be happening during the tour, you must be liable for that. And there is minimum charge of 100,000 pesos. So please be mindful and careful of our surroundings. I'm only collector of the Omniverse Museum, no other than Mr. Ryan Cesar.
And now, step forward and get ready to immerse yourselves into the Omniverse.
Yo! How you touch balls?
Star Wars.
Yo! Masterpiece, oh. What are you?
Masterpiece.
For 7.
Jupiter. Yo, kasama ba to?
Why touching his balls? Why touching his balls?
R2D2. Size comparison to me.
I'm a nerd.
The verdict is I am small, but R2D2 smaller.
It's a 105.
Bro, I don't Star Wars. I don't.
Oh my god.
Storm and Cloud. Lego. That's the guy. It's a trap. It's a trap.
Yeah! Yo!
Damn. My favorite character is on the left, right side sa dulo.
Yo, I remember him from Lego Star Wars. Invisible.
My favorite!
Si Invisible Man.
Alis ka. 100 million.
Babayaran mo ng ng mga macros.
Tesla coin.
Tesla coin.
Tara, Project Sec. Math. Mathematics.
Too much math.
What the hell is that?
Just touch it, man.
Oh, that's weird.
Yo! It feels so weird.
Solid if we're gonna naman where it breaks down over time. Bitawan mo yan.
No. Yo, tara na. Gusto
Oh my god, my favorite character si Jar Jar Binks.
It's Yoda.
Oh my god.
I love these things. Yung nakikita mo ko sa mall dati.
The only reason why I'm
1, 2, 3, go!
Ah, 80 at. Yo, that thing's taller than me. That looks like my dog.
Ang god niya idol eh.
Yo, nangiba na ng team. Let's go! This is a 2-hour experience, yo.
And I didn't pee.
2 hours of getting risk paying 100,000 pesos.
Yes, it's a challenge. Not to pay $100,000.
Yo.
Glance. Harassment. Hey, yo.
Harass. Ikaw ata yung nanghaharas eh.
No, I ain't
Ikaw yung
doing
nanghaharas.
shit. I ain't.
Ingin nyo kasi ito.
Ang tulol.
Chidori! Chidori!
Kami ha.
Half Chinese, half...
Gamo-gamo na!
half Chinese, half Abnoy.
Yo! Hey, nice ass.
Bro, just pick at least one out.
Hindi ko nga alam, hindi ko pa napapanood.
Slytherin! Bakit? Gryffindor,
I never
Ravenclaw.
heard yet.
Hufflepuff. What do you want? You want, bro?
Nangyari ata last year, napano ka sa sorting hat, napano ka sa Barbie.
Yes. The sorting hat never lies. So, go now.
Yo,
What?
I'm taller than you.
Arkin's taller.
Hey, yo!
Yo! Si Paradero.
Pero? Yo!
Mag-file ka ng harassment report.
Yes, dalawa sila.
Ay, puta, may yung pack! Tumubig yun!
Cool.
Roshan.
Pero kaya nakikita na itong kababalagan na ginagawa ko.
Oh, Lord of the Rings.
Lord of the Rings!
Uy, mga makinig.
Game of Thrones.
Uy, si Ember! Holy shit!
I can't tell the difference.
Uy, Amber, musta?
Oh my God. Si Clark Kent. Wait, I'm not supposed to say that. Spoiler. Yo, glasses time. Ang ugly ni Superman. Big hard balls.
Yo, bracelet of submission! Yo!
Yo!
Bro, when you recording that, yo!
Screw that. Big hard balls.
Yo, no!
Ako plus.
Move on na kayo, dito na ako for the rest of the day.
Yes, same. This is satisfying.
ADHD.
Alright, I'm back.
This thing cures cancer. Holy. I feel like I'm achieving a lot of things right now. Can we go now? No.
Kuya, stop. Stop, kuya.
Yeah. What's up?
Whoa. I wanna try this.
Baliktad.
Hindi na sa Lego.
Huh? No, hell way. There's no... Walang battery.
Axolotl.
Yo, Axolotl. Hello. Smash. Definitely.
Ba?
Ang premyo ay lalabas siya.
Hello!
Yo, let's go.
Ako! Asmado ka eh.
Pabutin niyo naman dito sa gitna.
Alam ko na sir, ganito. Yo!
Kailangan ng utak.
Work smarter.
Bro, thinking about thoughts. Yo, it's moving.
Ay ka. Bakit naka-vertical?
I don't know. Because it's not straight. tongue.
Goodbye.
My ears, bro. Yeah, my goddamn ears.
Let's go Lego. Let's go Lego.
Let go.
Uy. Bro, already failed. Look, one hand. It's one hand. Catapult. Where's the trebuchet? Yo, Spider-Man, and the other Spider-Man.
It's free Spider-Man.
Who's your favorite?
Spider-Man. That's the only one I watch.
Big hard balls.
Oh, is that microscope?
Ito nga.
Diba, taka, hindi yan.
I know these guys. Richest man alive. Isaac Newtons. Alexander Graham Balls. Thomas the Tank Edison. Nikola Tesla Coil.
Alam mo, nahihirap.
Mamingay ka lang eh. Pinipingay mo lang eh.
Alam mo, nahimik ka. Nalaglag. Okay.
Yo.
UI pa lang yan. Nandun yung MUI. Ay, picture mo kay Papa. Ay, tama ka.
Okay, mga men, sir, ready na po tayo for next station.
Yo! Ay, picture mo na ako, pre.
Hey guys, Future Arkan here, and this is the exact moment that my phone ran out of battery. So I guess you won't be able to see any more of this educational tour video, I guess.
Yo, it's mallin' time to mall. You know, somebody is strong when they broke.
Sino nag-broke ng kandang...
B.O.B. you broke the can. Bro, where's the trash can? Eto, trash. Ito yung side quest ko, maghanap ng trash can.
Ayan, trash can.
Yo, trash can.
Balik natin, 7:30 na. Anong oras na?
4:40. 4:40.
Steak kayo niya, may steak.
Kayo steak.
Steak?
Pwede, pero magkano?
Medium, rare.
Magkano?
Oh, saan yung CR? Alright, my second side quest, maghanap ng CR.
Ask mo si Kuya.
No. I am going to do this on my own. It's a side quest.
Side quest. Let's go.
I give up.
Bakit?
I give up.
That was fast.
Never let go of your dreams. Hell no, I let go of my dreams of peeing ever again.
Gusto combo.
Kaya na overtake. Ang weird pumunta CR habang naka-record. Yo, Shark So combo.
Yo, Hakang. Putang inang. Oh, I love it and I hate it at the same time. You and I drink the poison from the same vine.
Hold on.
Ano magkapatay? Ay.
You dot found a free CR.
They're lucky you. I found a loud man. I'm gonna go check it.
Just left me all alone in here. Oh my god, Enrico Kid's coming back. Unlike others, bumabalik si EJ.
Huh?
Unlike others, bumabalik si EJ.
Exactly, bro.
Alright, I'm gonna leave and never come back.
Bro.
Di naman ako ganyan, nabalik ako. Hey guys.
Bonjour.
Order ka? I guess. 40 na ang bigay ko sa'yo.
140. Then wallet mo.
478 ang gastos ko.
Bumalik ako, bro.
Mga bumabalik.
Miss you kasi.
Ha?
Addicted with the viscous white stuff.
Yes. What's wrong with it? It's food.
It's not anything with 9/11. Give me corn. Ako na lang yung corn. I just want the corn.
Just take it all. I'm just gonna eat the chicken.
Akin na lang yung soup.
Dapat naka-video kung yung tinitikman mo. Again.
Again?
A little bit.
May sanya kayo no?
Sheesh! Ang sweet. Bagay kayo.
It's mine.
It's jog of excitement. Tonkotsu ramen and red eat. O pampaanghang ba yung red eat?
Maybe.
Red eat.
I love Reddit.
Excited na ako sa February 14.
Why?
It's my birthday.
Ayaw nga pala. I always keep mixing it up with the Valentine's. Ala ko may ani. I'm sorry, Arka. I'm a bad friend. I'm a bad friend. I'm not eating. I'm not eating. Bro, look at how slow he walks. Oh, what is he doing? Why is he smiling?
Fucking dama.
Grandpa. Grandpa. Excited na ako sa February 14.
No.
Birthday ko.
Oh no! Oh no! I'm done.
Yo, guess niyo birthday ko.
Somewhere between April or something.
No. February 14.
Oo nga pala, sinabi mo yun. I'm a bad friend. Sinabi mo nga pala yan, no? I'm gonna kill myself later on.
It's gonna take me like weeks to edit this.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Editor Arkan here. It's December 27, 2025, and I'm still editing this bullcrap. Hey JM, ano itlog mo?
Ha?
Ano itlog mo? Itlog nito hard-boiled?
Bro.
You can't even read that thing.
Bruh.
Wow, it took you like 20 seconds to do that.
Guys, let's go.
Mano ako kaya I cannot. I'll wait for them while you fucking eat.
That fucking good.
Finish it. All red.
Yummy.
Kala naman.
Yo, itadakimasu.
Pasend it. Ikaw na mag-vlog sa amin. Ubusin mo yung soup.
Yes, exactly. Okay. Okay, how do you do this with one hand?
Yo. The towers.
Yo, we are the BGC. This is the BGC 2.
Bro, that's taller than Bien.
Yo, welcome to the Uniqlo vlog. Si Uniqlo, bibili ng Uniqlo ulit.
Yo! What are your thoughts on the Uniqlo?
100% my brand.
Oh God, imagine nakita ko pinsan ko.
Nakita mo si Waki.
Nakita ko si Waki. Yo, Uniqlo, why are you outside? Uniqlo talaga to eh. Amoy Uniqlo na nga eh.
Ako, I don't care about clothing.
Nah, I care about clothing.
I care about clothing basta it smells good.
I care about clothing basta it looks good. Wala akong pakalam sa brand.
Basta it looks good. Mga kulay light green.
This is my first flight to ata na t-shirt.
Ayaw magtingin-tingin.
Wala akong pera.
Tara. Let's test for Project Sekay.
Yes.
And
Oh, may passcode.
9/11. Wanan ka na namin. Tara ramen.
Ayan, ramen puro daw.
Hashtag
Loading,
bro.
wala signal.
Tara ramen.
We just ate.
Tara potato corner.
Yeah.
SB na.
Mahal.
Laro na lang tayo.
Kakakain lang natin.
Yan.
Mayroon tayo.
May SM, baka may quantum.
Yes, tablet na is.
There's always a quan in quantum.
I don't care about your phone, it's only 8,000.
Fuck you. That is 12K.
It's only 12K.
Fuck you.
Bago pag bumili nga yung tatay mo ng ano, ROG Ally,
Yun na bago phone ko.
yun yung bagong phone mo, yun yung gagamitin mo pang text.
Scan. Fraud. We might be bots.
Nope. You just,
Pag nawala na talaga tayo, sisihin natin siya.
Stop. Wala pa pala tayong picture. Tayong lima.
Oo, picture nga daw tayo eh. Picturean niya ako solo, pampalit pro-pop pic.
My day, picture ni ano.
Yes.
mukhang galit.
Cross the road.
Ganun mo naman, i-bird mo na.
Gawin mo yung ginagawa lagi ni Evan.
Story pa naman tanga.
Cross the road. May mga sasakyan, who cares? They're not bad. You got a problem. We go back to Glorieta. Oh wait, we found junior high schools. We haven't found a single.
Di ba dito tayo galing?
Yep, dito tayo galing. So Foot Locker tayo. Wait, check natin Foot Lockers. Kahit bago sapatos ko. Kasi hakang nag-check ng mga. Yo, it's the Lacoste. Oh, the golden Lacoste. Tang inang 635. What ano? We got the Nikes.
Yo.
We got the Nikes. Made from pure cotton. Made from Korea. Pero kulay Mabibilhin mo.
Ay, hindi siya totally J1 to.
Huwag ka mag-totally off-white. Ang problema kasi mahirap magalinis, gago. Mga ganan, pwede yan. Maganda yan. Presyo lang, huwag lang. Wala mabili.
Tara. Wala, nakatingin na ako.
Ano na, 5:54. Bale, go na tayo. Saan tayo pupunta? Mga... Yo, we got the mall. Ay, pupunta sa SM. Ngayong SM ay ang gagawin natin ay maghahanap ng quantum. Kung walang mahanap, bahala na kami.
Akala ko ba maghahanap kayo ng ano?
Hindi ko rin sure. Oh, quantum nga. Maghahanap ng SM.
Akala ko maghahanap kayo ng kwarto.
Unang-una sa lahat, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Ako po ay si news reporter Loli De Castro. Susunod na balita, dalawang nagsabunutan kahit dalawa nito ay kalbo. Vlog be vlogging.
Bro,
Yo, working.
What do you call an elegant me?
Yo, ano?
Elegant.
You fucking bitch. G-Shock. Kanta mo mong i-edit dito kasi mostly nito is mindless strolling. Do you think Tarzan nagkantuta sa mga gorillas? Kasi like, come on. Kasi siya lang mag-isa na tao. Napalakas siya sa gorillas. Do you think that napalakas siya sa gorillas, he will assume
I have the power to remove all of this.
So you have a point.
Kanina mo pa yan sinasabi, I said the gorilla will dominate.
But what if it's a submissive gorilla?
Para may
Yan si Gian pala. Oh my god, may nakita na tayong senior sa bakas. Ayun, sa wakas meron tayo sa baka. It's Toys R Us. I thought it was dead.
It was dead in America.
In America. R.I.P. It sucks anyways. Bro, why you gotta do that? Let's go to SM. We found an SM sa Glorieta. And the next task is to find an arcade.
Oh my god, let's go. We're in SM, boys.
Well, literally, puntahan natin as Glorieta. And now we are at SM.
Quantum sa Glorieta.
Nandito na tayo sa SM, mga mga tawagan ng ating fans ay mga Okay, what's up mga kapwa
Legal to say in the vlog. I think Ivan's gonna put that in the vlog.
I don't know, I don't care. Pwede niya i-bleep out. Okay, he will edit out. Edit out naman niya post.
What if he did it?
His problem, not mine.
Your problem is you're gonna get cancelled.
I am anonymous.
Your JM give me. Dress custom.
I-bleep out ko yan. Elevator.
Ano mo kay Kuya Kamaya na dito?
Ano nga? I'm shy.
Quantum.
Yo, we found a quantum? That's walang my mind
Oo.
Oo.
Alam ko kasi wala. Glorieta, no? Sige pa. Thank you po.
We go Glorieta. So we go back to Glorieta. We went to SM, we go back to Glorieta. Nasa Glorieta talaga sinabi, hindi.
Yes, sa Glorieta.
Nandito na tayo.
No.
Di ka na. Doon na.
Ano lang?
Hindi ka na. Hayaan mo na. Nandito na tayo sa H&M store. Ayan.
We let it slide.
Ang dami kasing sa-slide sa'yo.
1 hour 30
Tanga na parang suot mo yan. Parang nasuot mo na yan dati. Tangina, nakakulay eh. All time is 7:30 p.m. And we are here at Uniqlo to look at pants. Tara, hanap tayo mga bato. Katas yun yung regalo natin sa mga sa mga hindi sumama. Tara, hanap ng bato. Yan yung mga regalo na hindi sumama. Bato ng Glorieta.
I would like to buy a pet rock.
Wow. White pants ang sinahanap mo ngayon, hindi white shirt. Commentary ka naman, Albert, ikaw YouTube channel dito. Yeah, 6:03. Call time is 7:30 p.m. Which, in my calculations, it is an hour and 27 minutes left. Matanong, ba't tayo nag-exit dyan sa SM para lang maghintay dito para mag-cross sa Glorieta? We're literally my second floor. Wow.
Sa Baki.
Si Alexis.
Alexa. Pandora para daw.
Okay, nakabalik na tayo kung saan tayo nanggaling. I think. Natura, we are close. Fuck, wala pala. Only on Netflix, November 24. Ang palabas ng sikat na sexy video ni Coco Martin at ni Ryan Reynolds. Darata sa Netflix dito sa Glorieta. Wait, may dumaan kanina.
There's always and there will be always a fucking black guy. Nandun yung meetup spot. Hindi natin yung kabil trip, friend.
Sabay na tayo. Kaya tayo, pwede naman tayo sa Innsbruck tayo.
Mga grade 11 na yun. Ibang bansa.
Ibang bansa. You want Indians talking about you. Wala sa ng time zone. Yung arcade na sabi niya yung time dito.
Hindi ko alam eh.
Oo, doon sa taas.
The guy sounded exactly like EJ.
Tara, Moss Burger? No, I don't know. It's Japan probably takes like ass. Wagyu.
Where are they?
Ayan. Ayan. Look at that. Look down.
Bro, di ko kita.
You are blind. Where the hell is time zone again? Ayun, time zone. We made it back to Glorieta where we first went in. Now, there's a high chance na hindi na kami mawawala. Check. Pasok. No. Lahat naman may kilikika.
Ina mo. Ay pala buffet 101.
Gago.
Pala dapat tayo kumain. Nakalimutan ko. May ganyan na.
Hindi natin masusulit. Hindi rin natin masusulit. Titira pa tayo ng anting gutom para hindi tumae. Kala ko gusto mo nag-gok.
Hopefully sa bahay ni Jay, sa bahay ni Rog.
It's fucking long. It will take 4 hours para matapos. Tara panghimagas na.
Toys R Us? I'm tired as fuck.
Tara, bubating kita.
Toys R Us tayo.
I'm sorry.
I want to see more vapor.
Tara.
Nahina ka pang cosplay.
Go! Mas nakakawit ako lalo.
Market content.
Potato corner slap.
Potato Corner Lab. Either Potato Corner Lab or Toys R Us. Kung ano flavor mo. Depends on una makita.
Yes!
Una makita, wasabi. Wasabi flavor. It just tastes like spicy.
Never mind, I'm buying the beer general.
Never mind, I'm joking. Oh, guys, I made Arken cry.
Kwanto mo? Joke lang.
Kaya kasi talaga ako na paglaro ng Tuesday.
Gali! Where's Sir Dion? Where's Sir Dion? Oh my god, the teacher, where's Sir Dion? Of course, sa Starbucks yan si Sir DR. Ano expect pa natin? Tara cafe pero hindi Starbucks.
El Polo Loco. You know what rhymes with Giga? Giga. You know the rap.
It's James Cook.
What's a food that rhymes with liquor?
Don't do this to me.
It's brown.
Rhymes with
A little rhymes with liquor. Liquor.
liquor, okay.
It's brown, dark, a little darker brown.
See it.
Sneaker.
What was the internet made me? Am I that not innocent anymore? Yo, baka may turtles. Ay, may turtles nga. Let's go. Bibili ko.
This is where this feels like kung saan kaya pumunta ni Asiel para bumili ng cat-ears. Yun na lang yung na-remember ko eh. Tara, may bagel grill ba dito?
Tingnan mo naman kung magkano.
640.
640?
Tingnan mo na kung magkano 640.
Bro, seriously? Bro. Ito ang substance ko ni JM eh. Ni Muscle.
Stride and stroke.
Ikaw yan.
Oh, never mind. 250 to. Times 3. Pwede na. Ano? Dala ko
Same
naman
price
ATM
daw
ko.
ito at ito. Nung
Dala ko naman
napakita
ATM ko.
2540.
50.
Dapat dalawang galit.
We are at Tico's.
Dapat dalawang galit.
Tico, ikaw.
Bitch! Parang feeling ko alam ko na mangyayari pag ito yung binigay ko sa kanya.
Ano?
Ganon, galit.
Ano ganon galit? Ano ganon galit?
Bro, you buy something. I don't care.
Para maano na natin.
Ha?
Para makaalis na tayo. Ito kaya, para mawala yung attention span. Yung parang galit, di ba? O, bigay mo. Oo, di ba? O, di ba nawala bigla ang galit? Ito kasi bibiin mo. Kasi kung sakaling nagagalit, bibigay mo siya at maano. At gagamitin mo yan as distraction para malimutan niya kung bakit siya galit.
Cause all I want for Christmas.
Niggers. Para mawala attentions, para mawala yung galit, para malimutan yung galit, bigay mo ito. Pero, may pakatog ka galit.
Hey yo, Sour Punch, let's go.
Kagaya ng mga sour.
Yo, ganun.
I don't wanna buy. I don't wanna buy. Bro, what the hell? What time is it? Shit, it's almost 7.
We have 30 minutes left before makapunta tayo sa PPG. Gonna run. Pwede tayo tumakbo doon para interesting yung vlog. We can run. Habang nandito si Glance, we can run papunta Potato Corner Lab, get our shit, and then go back. We can go back on time. Win or not?
We're gonna takbo it. You want proper English? We're gonna run. You want in?
No.
Bro. Finally. We're done. Bro. Alright, Arken.
Masa yung dalawa?
450.
Probably nag-pool sila.
Akala ko pumunta silang Potato Corner Lab.
Tara, bibili mo ng Sun Circle.
Bro, we run. Gonna go to Potato Corner Lab ba? Wait, ito ba yung daan? No, never mind. This is not it.
Ewan ko, it's either nahulog ko sa, sa bus or... Sige po, bye-bye, Max. Bye-bye. Sige po, bye-bye.
Anong nawala mo na naman?
Black coffee.
Ha?
Pweset na yan. Kaya isang face mask na lang dalhin mo, hayop ka. Okay, top plan. You want plan para mabilisan natin. You go buy your shit. You gotta go buy the fries. You gotta go run.
Kaso hindi ko sa ulo.
It's your problem now. Alright, we go run. We actually run or not? You want to actually run or not? Come on.
Run walking.
Run walk. That's just walking.
Slow running.
Bruh.
I am running very slowly. Look at my feet.
That is technically walking. No.
Oh no.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Potato corners nga.
Akala ko mayroong problema na nawawala.
No.
One potato corner o potato corner lab?
Ito na lang.
Ito na lang?
Basta happy ka. Alright, bili ka na.
Ikaw. Ano flavor mo?
Anong flavor mo?
Anong flavor mo?
Black. Sour cream.
Oh, hindi gusto mo pala din. Fuck you.
What?
Fuck you. Gusto mo pala din. Nagmamadali ka pala kasi gusto mo din.
Not really.
Bro, wag ka na bumili. Okay, wag na tayo bumili. Wag ka na bumili.
Bibili pa rin ako kasi dito lang kayo. Bibili lang ako ng
Ay, goodbye. Sana mawala ka. What is that? That is fat folk. That's legitimately says fat folk.
7:05.
Hati tayo sa Terra.
Alright, I guess. Nakikita mo yan, Enfer? Fat folk. Ayo. Humor 100. Was it worth it yung ating was it worth it yung it is worth it.
Ano?
Yung natin. Field trip. Worth it yung field trip. Grades. One exemption sa isang PT. So
Probably more.
Probably more. That is
That's so skibbity.
I have very high hopes na hindi ako line of 80 with this grading.
Feeling ko line of 8 ako sa AF.
Probably ako din. Sa biro ni Sir DR, wala namang buwaksak sa amin ng sobra. Which is nakakatakot.
Sobra.
Sobra.
Lowest raw sa amin sa math, 82.
Bro.
I have 2 contenders, bro.
2 contenders, sino kaya?
Alright, one is Enver.
One is Enver. Sino yung isa?
Si Sheen.
Ha?
Contenders for 82 sa pre-cap.
Kita ko.
Sa oral ko, shit, it's either 70 or 80.
Buti madali lang ang oral namin.
Bitch!
Ang dali-dali ng oral namin. Ano ang intimate, personal, formal?
Madali lang yan! Nasagutan namin yan.
Exactly. Ang dali lang. Yun na buong exam namin ata this the next month.
Landslide. Pag nadulas si Glance, it's called landslide.
Pag elegant.
Glance.
Elegance.
Elegance.
It's 7:08. We got approximately 20 minutes.
Doon na naman tayo eh.
It's more than, a bit more than 20 minutes.
Dalawa na tayo eh.
Should we run or should we walk?
We should teleport.
I need to pee. Fuck's sake. Fuck's sake.
I need to pee.
Ay, ako na. Alright, so naiwan ako para mag-pee vlog.
What the hell? Okay, thank you.
Yo! Click. Balikan namin kayo
Ah.
CCR. Balikan. Turn up.
Magsi-CR? They're dating.
Yes, they are.
They are dating.
They should hold hands. Oh my god, they did. The fun art will be amazing. Oh my god.
No, nalimutan ko yung re-record yung sarili pag palabas ng CR.
Bro.
Do it again.
Do it again. Do it again.
No.
Why did they go there when the restroom is over there?
Ang laki ng package for the gig, ah.
Wow.
You know what rhymes with Giga?
Don't do this to me, man.
Where is Enter and where is yung
We're dying. Babalikan nila.
Ha?
Babalikan raw tayo dito.
And where are they?
They're taking.
So we have time estimate EST 15 minutes.
Nasaan si boys? Where is the boys?
They're gone.
Where's
They're
the
dating.
boy?
They're now the homies.
They're more than homies.
They are the homies.
Kung nasa na ba sila?
Kasi they're lost.
We're just gonna meet them.
Where's Starbucks? Kung ay tatanong ako kay Sir DR.
You know, I know one Starbucks.
No.
Tara, Toys R Us.
Bro, why pushing me?
Wala lang. Bro, hanap ka ng ano? Hanap ka ng Vaporeon.
Mawili bigay. Huwag inisip mo mawawala ako.
Mawawala si EJ, bro.
I hope he knows kung saan yung papunta dito. Oh wait, I hope he knows kung saan yung meet up.
They are not here. Balik tayo kay Enrique Joaquin. Bruh. Tara, balik na tayo.
Yeah. Ay.
It's gonna be at least an hour yung buong vlog. Please watch through the whole thing.
Bro, ano yung edited all?
Edited all. Wala pa rin sila.
What time is it?
Balik na tayo.
Balik na.
Ang bagal nyo.
I cannot.
Malapit na 10 minutes na lang. 15 minutes na lang. Dapat nagbigay ako ng before and after image ng storage ko.
Bro, ano? Either way, it's fucked. What time is it now? It's 19:19. We are 10 minutes. We literally have 10 minutes bago pumunta doon. We're literally gonna be late.
Ang bilis ni Endo compared sa'yo.
And for 10 minutes na lang. Yeah. 10 minutes
Sobrang
na lang.
lapit lang naman natin.
Alit naman.
Baka gusto mamalakan sa bibig mo?
Thank you.
Oh. Wow.
Sweet ni Hakang.
Sweet ni Hakang. Send ko kay Lynn.
Okay lang.
Sige.
This is homies being homies.
Oh yeah. Oh Lynn ito na si Andrew ngayon. Nung nawala ka.
Ha? Saan kayo mo?
Ayan, Daiso. Why we going up? Ang tanong ko.
What?
Ba't tayo tataas?
Tanga, mali pala tayo ng pinuntahan.
Go.
We should go there.
Wrong direction.
Ay, hindi, tama. Tataas tayo.
Ba't tayo tataas? Ang tanong ko.
Tataas tayo para bumaba.
Kagaya ng grades mo, okay.
Bro, just attack.
Mali ba?
Technically, no.
I am very scared na hawakan tong phone na to one hand.
Uy na ako.
Literally late na tayo para umuwi.
Yes, 7:20 daw eh.
7:30.
No, 20 dapat nandun na.
Dapat?
Sarap.
Dapat? Dapat? Dapat?
Sarap.
Dapat?
Bro, sa bahay ata tayo magtatay.
Kaya mo ba?
Oo.
Anong kaya ko pa?
This is wrong.
Di ba nun? Nahihilo na ako.
Activity center, yun ata. Didiretso tayo ata dito.
Pumasal tayo.
Sabi mo talaga yon. Hindi pinapansin. Ito na, go down. Ayun nga, time zone. Naka na, mali pa pupuntahan natin dahil sa'yo. I see Kendrick. I see the Moss Burger. We are pretty much there.
Oh my god, surreal now.
Oo nga no. Very apart si Sir Rianal dahil sa jacket niya. Any jacket suot ni Sir Rianal.
It's a
You're here. Diyan, hi ka sa vlog. Hi vlog. 12 hours ata footage namin ngayon. More than ata sa bagay. Baka. Yes.
709 ang nagastos ko lahat ngayon.
Tang inang yan. Tang inang yan.
Ikaw?
478. Now we put it yan. Yan ay pang fuck. Sira na.
O, yung pang ano yan?
Pang ano yan na Arken. Dito tayo kakain. Dito tayo kukuha. Yan yung pabaon. Ito yung dukot. Ha?
Asa ito?
Fuck you.
Asa ito, bilis?
Fuck you.
Oh, wala.
Fuck you.
Asa ito? Asa ito? Wala.
Fuck you.
Basta.
Fuck you.
Kailangan ulo-ulo yung pagkano eh.
Kaya, wala eh. Wala.
Fuck you.
Wala.
Sir, ano in-order niya sa SB? Ano in-order niya sa SB?
Caramel macchiato.
Ilan po, sir? Ilan? Ilan po, sir?
Ito lang naman.
Ay, isa lang po. Kala ko 3. Hi, guys. Tapos na yung vlog. Goodbye. Final thoughts.
Raves! Ang daming nagastos.
Final thoughts.
Mid.
Final thoughts.
Rage.
Final thoughts.
Ubos pera ko.
Final thoughts mo sa educational tour.
Worth it. 1 PT exempted.
1 PT exempted.
Dapat 5 PT exempted.
JM, paano?
Bro, may massive massive.
Sa tingin mo ba nasa bahay?
How's the tour?
Okay lang.
Tingin mo ba ligay
Okay.
siya?
Arken, may nawawalang bata. Nawawala po kayo? Alam niyo ba numero ng nanay niyo?
Marami lang sa guard. Kuya guard.
How's the vlog?
Good.
Wait, how's the tour pala?
Good.
Yung...
Paano ka lolo? Paano ka lolo? Paano ka lolo?
Gusto ko na po matulog sa bus.
Diyan mo natulog sa bus.
No sleep challenge!
Sir, walang signal.
Namumula na si Hakang mukhang nagda-drugs.
Gross high as fuck.
Ang dying.
Yo! Yo, they're touching.
Intimate touching.
O, kasi yung takal malakas.
Gusto mo ba?
Uy, kayo. Ano binili mo dyan?
Ba't mo binili? Try to corner if you good. At then, roll credits. Roll credits right now.
Tingin po, guys.
Kaya nga, I love you too.
Oh, ayan. Oh.
Salamat, tol. Thank you, tol. Thank you.
Christmas na nagbibigay ng Christmas yan, no?
Si Lolo, di ka binibigyan, ha? Lolo, kain ka pa kayo wala. Pampatigas ng buto.
Wala pa si Gusla?
Of course. Ito, AP-3.
Yo, fry, fucking suck. Skilly you. 1 point ako. Skilly you.
Paano mag-aakay?
Ako din naman eh. Suck you. Suck you. Ha? Suck it.
Ako tayo sa baba.
Sorry, boy.
Skilly you. Mataas din ako sa baba. Ang babae.
Can somebody hold this so I can buy a drink?
No. Dalhin mo habang nabili kang drink. Dalhin mo.
Gusto ko ngayon. Kaya mas gusto ko siya.
Manahimik ka.
Tama na pare!
Mahimig ka.
Pare!
Sino ba yan na?
Hindi ka naman manahimik!
Hindi nyo kay Lolo.
Secret.
Hindi nyo kay Lolo at ako bahala.
Malakas Riz ni Lozo.
Lolo Riz.
Malakas toyo di Lolo.
Lolo.
Kanina pa yung call time.
It's 7:44. First floor.
Everybody, let's go.
Shut the fuck up.
Pila na lang maayos.
Finding Koshla.
Finding Kushla.
We found her. Now we can go home.
Special.
Yo.
That's the best day of my life.
May drugs ka? Pingin ng drugs?
Ito ang drugs ko.
Ay! Huwag mo na! Huwag mo na! Oy!
Gusto ka lang yun, hindi niya alam.
Wala pang ang bahay, wala pang jowa, hindi pang legal. Hindi na alam na crush ka. Ay, crush mo siya.
Yes.
She support niya.
Kulit eh.
Wala ka dede, gago.
Isa ba? Ano?
Ang dede. Ang dede. Lock ka eh.
Dito.
At least may pa-flex ako.
Oh no!
May pang-flex tayo. May grades tayo.
Grades tayo, boy. Exempted ang tayo.
Sana sa exam.
Sana lang.
Bro, PT, pataas doon lahat. Kaso sa mga exams, doon na baba. Dapat exams.
Tama. Ano, bigyan na tayo ng +5 sa card. He's living his dreams.
Life could be dream. Life could be dream. Life could be dream. Shabog ni Dahil na paradise sa mapap. Shabog ni Dahil and life could be dream.
Miss ko na siya.
What rhymes with liquor that is dark brown?
Ha?
Liquor that rhymes with dark brown.
Sneaker.
Yo! Okay. Ang galing ni bro.
What? I plead the fifth. Walang gana. Akin, walang nakakita nun.
Ha?
Walang nakakita nun.
Wala na ba? Nakuha ko na yon. Late reaction time.
Hindi ko napansin eh.
Tara, kandong tayo lahat kay Glance.
Okay, pagpasok po, muna po agad para mabilang ko ha.
Okay, palakpak na pagpasok ni Gusla. Tagal na ni Vlog. Ayan pa si Gusla.
Nahanap na. Ay, ni Coach na, nahanap na.
Ay mo naman, bago ka pa.
We love you.
Sir, palaksan po ng aircon. Thank you po. Sir, inuubo po yan. Tutog na lang ako.
Tayo nang muna. Tara, Fortnite. So, have a mini Pringle. And then a mini bit, bro. Long Pringles sa Tom's, Lace stocks lang. Lace stock. Bye, Lace stock. Ewan ko, walang Pringles. Nawalan. Ni Jordan. Yung mga angas. Yung mga asin. Yo, guys.
Nine yung energy, bro.
Maglansang umaga, mga betels.
And wouldn't you know it, the educational tour finally ended. All good things come to an end, and even this one is one of those good times. This was one of the best 15 hours of my life, and I couldn't thank everyone who spent 2,000 pesos to join me on this journey. Thank you guys.
I'm not gonna check the cartridge.
We're here. Hoy! Yung trash natin. Alright. Goodbye.
Well, this has been 2 years in the making. I hope you all enjoyed, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.
歌が聞こえる広に音が聞こえる今に会いたいはしていた何かに見えていたこれはそんなちっぽけな物語願いを一つだけ叶えるための旅孤独から
Maninawa akong cellphone at Coca-Cola.
世界が時計だけ期待がずれの旅